This is the perfect small bedroom layout. In traditional small bedrooms, the bed is placed near the window. Wardrobe against the wall. The wardrobe can only be 1.5 meters. The middle aisle is also very narrow. I always wear coats and pile them on the bed. There is even a hygienic dead zone under the bed. The end of the bed can only be used as a narrow desk. Can't put down books and materials. Try this first. Custom platform bed by window. Attach a soft bag. Sleep more comfortably. Second, 2 rows of large drawers under the bed. Remember to do segmented design. The drawer can be completely pulled out by connecting it with a buckle in the middle. Third, combination desk for bedside. Spacious and comfortable study space. Paired with corner bookcase. Good classification of books and materials. Storage is more tidy. Fourth, metal hangers at the end of the bed. Save money and protect the environment and can be mounted. Armored wall-mounted curtains. It's a separate cloakroom. Make the top thin cabinet after 5 doors. Put an internet celebrity doll on one side. Hang coat and bag on one side. Cabinet door design full-length mirror. It's easier to dress and match. Don't forget like video and follow me.